Welcome back to Daphne Dishes again. It's been a minute. I haven't posted a new food video in several weeks, and that's because we've had a real tragedy in our family. 3 weeks ago, my mother passed after a brief hospitalization. And even at my age, it's really hard to lose your mom. She was always incredibly encouraging of all my creative endeavors. I know she'd want me to keep going. Offer up a kind of a quick, easy video here. It's ricotta 2 ways. One way is savory, one way is sweet. And it was taken from a live I did on TikTok. I think it's good. It's always like an easy way to cook. If you can only use one bowl, that's one of my messages here. You do the savory part, then you do the sweet part, and it's delicious. And please subscribe. And if you have any suggestions of things you want me to tackle, I'll go for it. Yeah, I'm a little disoriented right now, but I hope you enjoy this recipe. Today we're gonna do ricotta 2 ways. Easy thing to find at any grocery store. Ricotta in here. And you can use a little cream or milk, but ricotta is a great versatile thing. I know people are seem like non-human in real life averse, but if you are gonna have people over, it's a very easy thing to whip up a dip. We're gonna use some of this for the pasta dish, but then for the dessert, I'm gonna leave some of it in here and we're gonna doctor it up. But now I only have one bowl I have to clean. I hate to clean. Oh, it's called Anellini Siciliani No.72. Well, that rolls off the tongue, doesn't it? Doing that, and now we've gotta get to the zucchini. Now, zucchini is fantastic. I love zucchinis. I feel like, has zucchini had its moment yet? I don't know if it has. We all got Brussels sprouts out. We got kaled out. I don't think we've had too much zucchini. So now I'm just gonna do like silver dollars. Mint. And one of the things I'm going for here is for it to have lots of different layers of flavor and of texture. Combo, very fresh herbs. Now, the other really important thing here is I'm gonna zest some lemon. Let's do this. Soak up all this yummy sauce. Mint and basil. Parsley, mint, basil. Lemon zest, lemon juice. Scoop this. I'm gonna put the pasta in this. Okay. So this is why I like dollop the whipped ricotta. And I like to have a pasta, this is why I was talking about orecchietta, perhaps, that sort of will catch the ricotta. Oh my God, it smells really good. A little bit of mint. And there we go. This is our savory ricotta. So I smell lemon, I smell basil, garlic, really good. Fresh California, right?
Fantastic.
Yeah?
The mint, the basil. Good.
More cherries on top, okay? I think a little glass, like a dessert wine with this would be really delicious. And remember, don't be afraid.